This short video describes how to make a placemark which can be displayed in the adaptation layer. Placemarks are short summaries of case studies or organizations which are georeferenced so they can be displayed using Google Earth, as in this example for Bangladesh. Placemarks may be related to longer knowledge base articles or serve as standalone case studies with links to external content, as in this case. In order to create a placemark, you must be logged in. Once logged in, you will be taken to your home page. If you are a member of an initiative already, then on your home page you will see a link to Create Case Study. If you are not yet a member of an initiative, you can join one by clicking on Join an Initiative and selecting an initiative you are interested in from the list. Please see the videos on filling out your personal profile and the overview of initiatives for more details. These can be found in tutorials. Before you get started, it is useful to have a document ready containing the text for your case study, including latitude and longitude for the location of the case study. Clicking on Create Case Study takes you to an editing page. You will see various fields which need to be filled out. Start by adding the name of the case study. This is what will appear directly on the globe. In this case, Sundarban mangroves. Then add the latitude of the case study, the longitude of the case study, and the initiative with which it's associated. In this case, I'm only a member of the Ecosystem-Based Adaptation Initiative, so this is where the placemark is associated. If you are a member of more than one initiative, then you can choose which of your initiatives to associate your content with. If you would like, you can then create a longer title. This title is what will be displayed in the balloon of the placemark itself. In this case, however, I'm just going to copy Sundarban mangroves and have that as a title. Type in the organizations which were associated with this case study. In this case, simply Climate NGO. Then add the authors who are associated with this case study, in this case James Knighton. In each of these cases, you can add more than one organization and more than one author if you wish. Finally, on this page, add the keywords that you want to be associated with this placemark. The keywords ensure that this placemark will be related to similar content. So in this case we have, so let's say Bangladesh, ecosystem-based adaptation and mangroves. Then click on Add Placemark. You will get a message saying your placemark has been successfully created. You will also see on this page that there is an element where you can add now text, images, links, downloads, or even video to your placemark. This is where you really create the content of the placemark. If I click on Add a Text Block, then I'll just copy and paste from my Word document. Copy, paste it in. I say add the text fragment. I get a message saying that it's been created, and I can then go back to the placemark. I can add an image to the placemark if I like, just by browsing on my computer. I'm not going to in this case. I can add links, I can add downloads, anything I like, and you can change the order that these appear in. Finally, I click Update Placemark so that the placemark is, so that I know that the placemark is updated and has been created. And then if you would like to see how the placemark looks, you can go on View Placemark to have a look at what your finished placemark looks like.